On the hill where shadows fall, ancient stones so grand and tall tell of tales from times gone by, whispers of a silent cry. Winding path of grassy green, under skies so clear, serene. Mysteries beneath the ground, secrets lost but now are found. Oh, Boyne, where spirits roam, echoes of an ancient home. Through the ages they've stood firm, endless stories to affirm.
On the moon where shadows fall, ancient stones so grand and tall tell the tales from times gone by, whispers of a silent cry.
Winding path of grassy green, under skies so clear, serene. Mysteries beneath the ground, secrets lost but now are found. Oh, Boyne, where spirits roam, echoes of an ancient home. Through the ages they've stood firm, endless stories to affirm.
Standing stones that touch the sky mark the place where history lies. Every rock and every line speaks of seasons lost in time.
Breath of wind through ancient halls, listen close, the past it calls. From dawn to dusk the light will play on these stones that never stray. Oh, Boyne, where spirits roam, echoes of an ancient home. Through the ages they've stood firm, endless stories to affirm. Oh, Boyne, where spirits roam, echoes of an ancient home. Through the ages they stood firm, endless stories to affirm.